Your feet are in the shot.
Oh, right. Okay, they wiggled slightly.
They did.
There. I think that's because that's them, because they're like du-du-du. It's the motors making that noise.
Should I stand back from this thing?
Yep.
Okay.
I'll stand well back because I don't know what it's going to do when I try and take off. Ready?
Yep. Well, looks like we've got a lawnmower.
Okay.
Yeah, it landed on its feet. Looks like all the propellers are in one piece, the pie's fallen off.
How is that not broken?
It actually looks in remarkably good nick. How's the pie?
Well, it'll be fine because it's in a case. That light is still on, that's still on. How did it survive that?
I have no idea. But it doesn't look like there's really any damage at all. I guess the little cork feet did their job.
I guess it's sufficiently bottom heavy enough to have landed the right way up.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that cork foot's broken.
Yeah, because it actually landed in this tree up here, didn't it?
Yeah, it did. Right.
So yeah, one of the foot broke. One of the feet
broke.
But the rest is all fine. That's actually really impressive.
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. Well, it's idling well. Oh, we have liftoff. So do you want to recap what just happened, seeing as I had to cut the video really suddenly? That's just straight up sheared, hasn't it?
That's probably, well actually it might not be broken. That's the antenna.
Okay.
But that might not be broken. I think that's just, it's just taken the cap off by the looks of it.
You cut your hand,
So
didn't
that's probably, yeah, I did cut my hand on the blade.
Okay.
But the blade looks fine. So,
Yeah, the blades do all look fine, which is good.
So, what exactly did happen? I think I bumped quite badly when I landed. And this obviously fell off. And then I think this got whacked by the prop and got pulled out. And then obviously this had no power. And because of the lag, controlling it from the Pi, I had to disable the failsafe on this, which just means it keeps doing whatever it was told to do, which is why it didn't stop. So, fortunately I managed to get my hand on top of it to stop it from taking off. And then it was just a matter of trying to figure out how to disconnect the power with some of the fans still going.
Yeah, I mean, we were lucky that one stopped, because if it hadn't, it would have been a lot worse.
Yeah, that would have just flown off somewhere, probably.
Probably, yeah.
But it did fly, it's just difficult to control it.
Yeah.
So, what I probably want to do is turn the failsafe back on, and then it will, if this happens again, it will just drop, rather than doing anything like that. And I need to find a better way of securing this, because obviously that's not adequate.
Yeah, that's not working properly, is it?
Yeah.
Is the Pi going to be okay, do you think?
Probably.
Good.
Just check the ports over. I mean, nothing looks bent.
No, I mean, it all does look fine. I'm just worried about the circuitry on the inside.
Nothing looks bent or broken or anything.
Yeah,
so
I mean, the Pi probably isn't very happy with you by now, but
well, I did rip the power out.
Should be okay.
I did pull the plug on it, so
it might throw a bit of a screaming
not super
fit,
happy about that, but that should be fine.
Cool.
Everything else, because well, yeah, that's the only thing that is not super firmly secured. But fortunately, that did get booped. Oh, it's bent.
Oh, okay, yeah,
but
that's not
that's
great.
probably fixable. But the cable itself looks fine. This doesn't look like anything happened to that.
No, that looks fine.
That's obviously lost the cap, but I think that's just cosmetic. We can probably find that and stick it back on. All the props look fine. All the motors seem to
cabling
be
and
fine.
stuff looks alright.
That didn't get touched by anything. These are all cool. Underside should be fine.
Yeah, that looks fine.
That looks absolutely fine.
That doesn't look like anything's happened there.
Just take the battery out quickly.
The feet all look fine as well, which is good given we just glued one of them back on.
Give that a bit quick check over. Doesn't feel hot. Doesn't look like anything's been nicked. So that's fine.
Okay, so now we just got to find the cap for your antenna.
Yeah.
That's about it, isn't it?
That's about it.
Cool.